So let's go. I'm scared, y'all. Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Suzie and I'm back at it with another banging video. So y'all, if y'all here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up because your girl is finna to go, oh, where's my earring? No, but your girl is finna go from black to orange. Y'all, I'm excited. I'm a little scared because I am going to be doing my whole head orange. And I never done this before. I never even knew that they had, you know, like a temporary hair wax like that you could put on your hair and it actually works like right away. And whenever you wash it, it just comes out. So anyways, I'm gonna be trying that today, but I am about to go and wash my hair really quick and I will be back. But I'll see y'all in a second. Okay y'all, so I am fresh and out of the shower. Yeah, my hair is washed. I haven't put anything on it yet. This is literally right after the shower. I gotta comb it out and steal all that good stuff. Y'all, my hair is really thick as y'all can see. I have not combed it out to give it this big look already, but I wanted to show y'all the oils that I use. Rice water. I picked this up at Walmart. And I also go in with the Miel Rose Mint and Scalp Hair Oil. I use that one as well. So I don't put it all through my hair, and also I have made my own hair growth oil. Hopefully I can start selling this soon. I literally just use the tubes, and this will have like the little needle nose thing where I could just put it in.
My hair is actually the same length. It's just how I use my brush on one side. It's crazy.
Okay y'all, so clearly, like I told y'all before, my hair is super big. It's all oiled up. Well, my scalp is all oil. I just literally used it and then I go in like this to just massage it all over, and I did it on my ends as well and on my edges. That's the only place I really put it. So now y'all, we gonna go in with our Shea Moisture curling enhancer smoothie. I got mine from Family Dollars, but you can pick it up at Walmart. They have it everywhere. This stuff is really good. So we just gonna take a decent amount, and we want to put it in our hair like so. Okay y'all, so now that we got that in, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some gel. I like to use the Extreme Gel. I'm not sure if this is good because it is a little heavy, but I'm gonna use it because that's what I use. And I also like to use this Blueberry Curl Gel. I got this at Jewel's. It was High's Hill, so get it from Walmart or somewhere else. But it's Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this in. And this smells really good too, y'all. It actually smells like blueberry. But I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this, and I'm gonna use some of this as well. Y'all, this is just what I do to my hair. So everybody got their own method. And my hair is really freaking thick, so it's just like, yeah. So I'm gonna do the same thing and kind of like just rub this throughout my hair. Of course, applying a little more in the back, just like before, because my back like to just give me like a fro with no curls, as you can already see that it's doing. So we're gonna apply some of this back there. I was so thirsty and didn't feel like waiting, so I am going to be using 2 different brands. This is the Ashley brand. This is the card. I think this is black owned, but yeah. And then that's the back. But this is her brand. It is Ashley Crazy Color Hair Wax. So that's that. And then I picked up this Color Effect. I think that's how you say it. Color Effect, I think. And I got this one from the beauty supply, y'all. I'm scared, yes, because I'm doing my whole head. In the colors, as you can see, they are 2 different oranges, which is okay with me. Today is the 1st. This video probably ain't gonna be up until like a couple days because I have other videos in line. So it's gonna be up this month, but by the time y'all see it, it's not gonna be October 1st anymore. But y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my colors. Okay, so this is what they look like. So we just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna try to put that up front first. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take a glob. They say it does get a little messy. So let's go. I'm scared, y'all. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, we doing this, y'all. Okay, so is it going to stay? Cause it looks like it's ain't. Y'all, I don't know if it's gonna work for me. I want it to be brighter. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Okay, you know what? So I'm just gonna play with it. And I'm gonna put it all over, okay? Because it smells like cologne. Okay, so I'm gonna use some of this one, the bright one, and let's see what that do. Because at this point, I don't know, y'all. Okay. Okay. Thank God this is temporary, right? I can't wait to see the outcome though. So y'all, I am going to go ahead and try to get a better look in the mirror and try to work it through my hair, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so it's not really what I expected, but this is the most that I'm going to do. So now I am literally just going to take and scrunch up my hair, do this all over. It's more of a like a brown to me, but I want to see how it looks when it dries. It's cute though. It's different. I still gotta get used to it. I'm still like already trying to get used to it. Like, girl, what's going on? It make my head look smaller. It make my skin look lighter. But so yeah, I'm gonna do this for a little bit, and then we're gonna go in with our blow dryer and try to get it to get a little more you know. So but yeah, I don't want to keep touching it, so we're gonna go ahead and scrunch it up with the blow dryer. I don't really like putting heat on my head, so I'm gonna try to leave it on cool and warm setting. But I do have this, I think it's called a diffuser. I have this little thingy right here, and I'm gonna put that on there. And yeah, we're gonna turn it on warm. It's already on warm. whole thing.
So y'all, when I was blow drying it, it gave my hair like a really weird texture. So I don't know about that. Let me know if y'all know down below in the comment section.
Okay, y'all, so that's all the drying that I am going to be doing. Y'all, it is very, very flaky. Like, I don't care for that. Like, it's very flaky. Like, I feel like I got orange dandruff coming out of my head. But as you can see, but oh my god, y'all, I don't like this. Look at this shit. Look at my legs. What the hell? That's that shit I don't like. But y'all, it's freaking flaky as fuck, bro. What the hell? Ain't nobody say that. Look at it. I want it out, y'all. I want it out of my head. Hey y'all, so this is the next day. And it looks really cute on camera. But y'all, it's so flaky. This shit is literally getting everywhere. It almost got in my eye. I can't walk around without a bonnet because my back gonna look like somebody rubbed Cheetos on the back of my back or on my neck. So it's like I cannot go, bro. Like, I can't even touch my hair without it coming on my hands. Like, I'm not sure if this is how it's supposed to go, but I'm finna watch this shit out because I can't go. Not for none, y'all. Me and Polo was supposed to have matching hair for October, but the way things are set up, no. So let me know if I use the wrong products to make it do that, or is that what it's supposed to do, y'all? I don't know. This is my first time. Comment down below if y'all do know and help a sister out, because hair waxing is not going to be my thing. I like the color. I don't know if I put too much in certain spots or if I didn't put enough. I don't know. But I don't like the way the texture of my hair feels right now. Like, it's just a lot of cons with this. Like, I don't think I am going to update you guys with anything else, because I don't feel like anything else is going to change. I feel like this is it. Y'all was here for the coloring. But yeah, let me know if y'all got any questions. So if y'all really know about this stuff already, please help me out and let me know if that's how things are supposed to go. But yeah, this is it. Let me know what y'all think about the color. Let me know if y'all like it. I gotta be careful because I don't want these little flakes falling in my eye, y'all. I'm sorry, but I cannot stop talking about these because I don't like them. They everywhere. They on my arms. They all over my floor. But y'all, and it feel like one got in my eye. But I'ma go because I can't. I just can't, y'all. But I love you guys oh so much. I hope this video was helpful. I hope that you guys don't have the flaky experience when you guys try it on your own hair. But that's about it. Give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts, and I'll talk to y'all, okay?